There are some people who have never eaten meat before, just like myself, and others have stopped eating meat because of their own personal reason. It doesn't mean we can't celebrate the Christmas. Yes, we too, we have our meat here. That is just by the way. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. We do easy cooking recipes here, and today I'm taking you straight to the central part of Ghana. Yes, this fish is very common there. This is called atita kwansansi. Yes, some people think when you use it to prepare food it will float because of how flat it is, but trust me, when you use it to prepare soup, oh, I better tell kwansansi. Do you get it? Yes, it will never float, but it will sink. That is why it is called atita kwansansi. The English name may be on the screen if I'm able to find it. Okay, thank you so much. And this is how I'm going to clean it. With this fish, oh my goodness, every part you can eat it apart from the intestine that I removed. Where I'm cutting, you can decide not to do so because it is very soft and it is edible. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. And now I'll go ahead and cut it into the preferable size that I want. You can see that I'm able to do so easily because the bones are very soft. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. Please, if today is the first time here, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Thank you so much for your time. So I'm going to cut the other part and then discard it. You can decide to eat it, okay, but I decided to do so because it looks very weak and I thought it is going to take a lot of oil. Okay, that is why I discarded it. Now I'll go ahead and remove the eggs. Those were not matured. That is why I removed it. If it is matured, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. I'll go ahead and add this fish to it. This tastes so good. One of the most cheapest fish I have ever seen, but it tastes so good. Very delicious. Yes, so I have cleaned it with my lemon juice. Behind camera I've added my salt, added some all-purpose seasoning. I'll go ahead and let it stay in the water for 30 minutes, then we are good to go. After that, I will strain the water and then I'll go ahead and coat it with my all-purpose flour and then start frying. So that is where we've gotten to right now, and this was easy to do so. Are you still with me? If yes, have you subscribed or followed? If no, can you please do so for me? It is free, as I said earlier. Thank you so much for your time. So this fish is ready. I'll go ahead and then remove it from the oil and then we will start with the other one. So I want my fish very dry because I am still learning how to eat fish. I started eating fish, that was just a year ago, so I am still fresh. Okay. So I want it dry. If you want yours not dry or maybe juicy, you can go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. And after removing that, I will go ahead and then fry the atita kwansansi. Then we can proceed. That is also ready, and then you can go ahead and remove it. If you want it juicy, it is ready, but I want it a bit dry, okay, so that I can also enjoy. So it is ready. Thank you so much for your time, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Thank you so much. Just look at that. This looks like meat. If it is in a soup, oh my goodness, it is so good. I use it for a very healthy soup. I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon. You will love it. Thank you and see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself. I love you. Bye.